Sounds great. Come on, Ryan. Let's go. Wow. Merry Christmas.
Wow. Well, he made that tar. That tar. The right, the bike. Yeah, Mommy.
You just hang up on her?
Say goodbye.
What is that, Rye?
He made this
A
car.
tar.
Goodbye. Now he's getting in it.
Is that from Santa?
He just ran over Kaden.
Alright, let's not drive it inside, okay?
Okay.
Is that from Santa?
That me.
No, I said, is it from Santa?
It's about from and for. Yesterday, Santa asked him what he wanted to be called on the Christmas tree.
You don't have to say cheese, buddy.
I just tell Santa you wanted a Christmas tree. You already have a Christmas tree. He says Santa wants a Christmas tree. And he said, what do you want? He goes, a dog. Yeah. Do you like it, Betty?
I like it.
Alright, there's more gifts in the back.
Well, good.
Look behind you.
Oh.
Those are yours too.
Whoa. About me. Now picture me.
I'm taking a picture of you.